Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a resume with Claude AI. To get started, open your browser and go to Claude AI by searching for it online. From the search results, look for the Claude sign-in page and open it. This is the quickest way to reach the platform if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once you are on the sign-in page, log into your account. If you are new to Claude, you can create an account first and then continue. Make sure you are fully signed in before moving on, since you will need access to the chat interface to create your resume. After logging in, look to the left side menu and click on New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation where you can give Claude clear instructions. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it keeps your resume request organized and separate from any previous conversations. Now you are ready to type in your resume details. In the message box, enter the information you want included, such as your work experience, education, skills, certifications, and any achievements you would like highlighted. The more complete and accurate your details are, the better the final resume will be. It also helps to keep your information clear and easy to read so Claude can format it more effectively. Next, ask Claude to create a resume. You can do this in a simple, direct way by telling it to create a resume using the details you provided. Keeping your request straightforward helps the tool understand exactly what you want and reduces the need for major revisions later. When your prompt is ready, click the arrow button on the right side of the text box to send your message. Claude will then generate a resume based on the information you entered. Give it a moment to process and then review the output carefully once it appears. After the resume is generated, you can edit it and add more information if needed. This is an important part of the process because AI can give you a strong draft, but your final resume should still reflect your personal experience accurately. Read through each section, check for missing details, and refine the wording so it matches the type of role you are targeting. With that, you have successfully used Claude AI to create a resume. Take your time reviewing the final version and make small improvements until it feels polished, professional, and ready to use.